ito yung tuwing kwan, maglalakad kami dito.
Nandito ka,
Oh, kasama namin mga residente, lakad-lakad.
mga laga.
Welcome to the government
Ito
house.
magaling, no? Ang daming variety, oh.
Kulyos.
Oh, ayan, oh. Ang dami.
Okay, different varieties of kulyos. Good morning. So, wandering Bicolana, wandering here at the government house here in Regina. Tara, pasyalan natin itong government house.
Ano na rin, oh. Parang halaman.
Design niyang kamote na yan. Kamote. Government House, residence of the Lieutenant Governors of the Northwest Territories,
Ganda ng...
1891 to 1905.
Pwede ba pumitas dyan?
Wala naman nagsabing bawal na pumitas, pero talagang hindi pwede. Hindi ka pwedeng magpitas
Naalagaan nila.
dahil naalagaan niya. So, ayan. Different flowers.
Bander, oh.
May lavender pa, ayan, no. So,
Perennial itong rosa.
yeah, perennial yan. Okay, so here, pupunta kami dito sa museum. So, that's the entrance of the museum. But for now, puntahan muna, tambay muna tayo dito sa government house. Yan, gandang flowers. As you can see, nag-yellow na ang mga puno, ang mga dahon. Yan, it's autumn. Anong tawag dito sa halaman na yan? Itong ano, brown. Ito yung ano na yan, maroon. Ah, maroon ba yan? Parang ano to, ano?
Meron yan sa atin, verde.
Para Espanyola.
Oo. May ano yan? Bandera Espanyol.
Bandera Espanyola.
Ito sa Pilipinas.
Tropical plants. So, mawawala din yan after mga pag naglamig na talaga. Ako gusto ko to kasi pwede tong indoor. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung
Sawa na ako.
Oy.
ang ganda eh.
Pero ilagay mo sa bintanang maaraw.
Oo.
Kasi dun sa south,
Namumulaklak sa akin yan, no? Ganda, oh.
matigas na dayo.
Ganda ng, this is lavender. Lavender.
Bulag mo. Hindi, bata pa. Ano na yung matigas na.
Yung kwan, yung kapitbahay ko nagbibigay ng tanim.
Ito na laki.
Dati, sabi niya, kung hindi mo pasok, balik mo sa akin. Eh, binabalik ko. At sa amin, binibigay niya sa akin. Kasi wala na akong space.
Ako nga tingin mo tsura ko.
This is a perennial rose. Ayan, oh.
Ayun, kasama. Layo.
Bulsa ko muna ito.
Dami na to ah. Dito sa mga purple na to ito. Kasi
Ano, pasok muna tayo? Ha?
ganda ng mga ano. Purple kasi ganda ng kulay.
For today's video, puntahan natin itong museum. Sa Johnson Museum. Oh, look at that. Meron siyang ano, maligayang pagdating. Different languages. Maligayang pagdating. Dayayahi. Pipit tikwik. Ayan, oh. Savagate. So we are going inside museum here at the government house. Queen Elizabeth. Ayan, maligayang pagdating. Oh, see? we're gonna get inside at here at the museum. Ayan si Queen Elizabeth. Morning!
Okay, that's fine. There's a formal tour at 10 o'clock in the museum.
Ah,
Sorry, 11 o'clock. And what time is it now? That's about 6 minutes from now.
6 minutes from now.
Yeah.
We'll wait.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and we'll start right from here.
Ang dami.
ito yung nagtuturo sa atin. We have to sit down. Okay? Mag-sit.
Pinapanood namin, dumarating yung mga royalty.
Ito yung sinasakyan ng mga royalty. Sila Prince Charles. Yan. Princess Diana.
Yes, sabi. Oh, I'm at the government house. Well, kasi nung sila abi, hinapit niya ako. Dahil nagtatrabaho. Tapos, nandun kami nagmulog yun sa hotel. Kasi, minsan tumupunta kami dito kasama. Ang dami nito, ang dami nito.
Landau.
Dala niya yung kwarto niya.
So they call this Landau.
Yung kwarto niya.
It's a four-wheeled covered carriage drawn by two horses. Yan. At two horses. Ayan. So ito ay hinihila ng dalawang horse. Landau. Ano yan niya? Ayan. So meron kami rito ng ano.
Right here we have the home of the first Lieutenant Governor of Saskatchewan. His honor Adame Forger. So the house was built in 1891 and was lived in until yeah, there's some
So ito yung conservatory. Yung mga nag-perform sila dyan. Conservatory Hardin. Okay.
So this the conservatory.
Oh, beautiful plants. Look at that, the rubber tree. Oh, yeah, oo.
Pagdating sa isang lugar, ito sisi. Ito pula. Lalaki. Ito. Tignan mo, ang dami ng sisi.
Ito, Monstera. Oh, yan, oh, laki ng Monstera. Oh.
Ang kagandahan ito matanda. So, yun yung maganda. Ito. Silong to, silong.
Silum.
Yeah. Eto.
So this is Silum.
Ato, ano to eh? Parang ano ng Audrey.
Audrey.
Oo.
Zigzag plant. Sisi plant pala.
Boy, yung James.
Ano to?
Meron ka niyan.
Taon na yan eh, no? Yun nga, niripat ko doon.
Lieutenant Governor.
Oh, it's the new one, Lieutenant Governor.
has the same amount of power as the king.
So every 5 years, the governor
And then they started to like
change.
like 5 years for a man, 5 years for a woman. So next.
Because I visited this place before, but changed a lot.
Pardon?
This government house I visited before, but they changed a lot. There's so many doors now.
So many changes,
Before
yeah.
there's no, like this, it's open.
Wow, look at the rugs. Nice.
But it was more so used as an office. So Adame Forger would have sat at that desk right there, and then his assistant would sit there. And the Forgers did not have any children, so instead of having children, they decided to have pets. So they had a bird named Coquette.
Yeah,
And she was known for mimicking people in French. And then they also had a monkey named Choco.
Choco.
Yeah. I'm not sure where they exactly got a monkey from in Saskatchewan. Spoiled in the house. So you can imagine the chaos that went on. And he loved to swim from the lights, so yeah, they were always replacing the lights. You'll see throughout the house that they decided to put the lights on rods instead of chains. Yeah.
This is Queen Victoria, right?
Yes, it is.
So Queen Victoria.
So, but they only fundraised about $500, and that wasn't enough money to get.
Yeah.
So you can see her face is very. So right here we have the ceremonial entrance. So this is where everyone would have entered from, and back then it was. The chair's on a slate slant down, so you have to press up against it so you don't fall off the chair.
Oh.
Yeah. If you ladies would like to try, you're more than welcome to.
You wanna try to sit down?
So this is old chair.
Antique chair.
Oh wow, nice, huh?
You like it? And this is where the men would come and hang out after they were done dinner, and they would do things I would consider ungentlemanlike at the time, such as smoke, drink alcohol, gamble, and talk about politics. So when the men would smoke, they'd take off the jacket they were wearing, and then they'd put on a smoking jacket like this. And yeah, so they'd have it on, and when they were smoking, that would absorb all of the fumes. Yeah, and then once they were done, they'd take it off and put on the jacket they were wearing before. And right here's the only wood burning fireplace in the entire house. And then, yeah, great. It's a bit, yeah, it is very different. So essentially what you want to do is you want to hit the cue ball, and you want the cue ball to hit your ball, and you want your ball to hit your opponent's ball.
The dining room.
Dining room, so dinner typically lasts about 4 hours each night, because you would have 6 different courses plus desserts.
Oh.
And then with each course,
It's
you would
huge
have
dining
a different
room.
drink. So for the first course, this drink, second course, this drink, third course, this drink, and so on. And this one would be filled with water, and you could use that at any time.
Too much to wash.
Pardon?
The name.
The silverware.
Yeah. No, the name, the saucer. Yeah.
The set.
Made from who? From where?
I'm not sure where it was made.
Oh, well, yeah, made in France or what?
No, what I mean is,
London,
all I know that brand is,
England.
How do you pronounce it? Because before I've seen that. Noritake. Noritake.
Noritake.
But I think that's all.
4 hours.
4 hours they spent here
4
for
hours,
eating.
but 6 courses.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's
You're full.
yeah. Today it's like 30 minutes, and you're like eating.
Too much to too many to wash. Look at that.
This is the.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
And if you were married, you would sit either across from your spouse or in totally different areas, so you couldn't talk to them. Because if you were to talk to them, then or like across the table, then that's considered yelling. For
So what is that chair for? Because there's a chair there. For the servant?
no, that's just like extra chairs.
Oh, extra.
because They're able to extend the table.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah. During
Oh, yeah.
You can only talk to 2 people. So for the first course, you talk to the person on your right. Second course, you talk to the person on your left. And you just switch between those 2 people.
Drawing room. Ayan.
In here, they would drink tea, play cards, listen to music. If they had romantic desserts, they'd have a chocolate or two.
So this is original too, right?
No. About 10% of the house is original, and then 90% is like from that time era. The time period.
Toronto.
The piano is original. Yeah. And then
It's still working. No.
Maybe.
no, there's
Yeah, don't touch. So this is a drawing
Here
room.
we have a flip table. So you get one of the servants to bring it out in front of the couch.
Yeah.
And then you flip it up, and
This is
you
from the
would
tree. The big
play cards, drink tea. Then once you're done, you flip it back down.
Look at this.
Oh, sakit din naman.
Come on in. Guest room.
Is the second guest bedroom. So whatever guest bedroom you got to stay in depended on your class.
Oh.
Yeah. So however the social status you had, whatever the room you got. There was always an exception though, with a man and a lady staying here. So there's a single man staying here, and he happened to be a prince. And there's a single lady here, and she happened to be sort of gentlemanly like. Yeah. And then they had to use a chamber pot to go to the bathroom. And then that's what they would use to clean themselves with. And then men, or on the bedside table, is a mustache teacup. And
Yeah,
men
there's
used to do their mustaches very fancy back then. They'd use wax to keep them in place.
Parang may anerola doon.
So,
What is that for?
to the bathroom.
Oh, to the bathroom.
You poop
Yeah.
there. You know what, yes.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Okay. Ika pala, I mean.
Right here is the morning room.
Morning
This is
room.
where you have all of your informal meals, such as breakfast and lunch. So
Oh.
for breakfast, they normally have tea, toast, fruit. If it was nice enough to go outside, they were able to eat out on the balcony. And so if they wanted to eat out on the balcony, they'd ask a maid or a butler for a sort of like stepping stools, and you'd place it right in front of the window. You'd open up the window and you'd crawl through. Then once you're done, you'd crawl back through to write a letter, read a book. You could do some knitting. And do any of you guys like pineapples?
What's that?
Do you like pineapples?
Yeah.
So back then, pineapples were a sign of wealth, and people used to rent them and use them as table decor when they were having guests coming over to the house.
Oh, but
Oh, so this is the upper class, yes.
the first guest room. So we did already the second one. So this is the first guest room.
So as you can see, it is nicer. And
Yes. It looks like when you sleep there, you are safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here we have a ladies get ready kit. So this right here is a glove stretcher, and ladies wore gloves basically every day. As you can see, these gloves are very, very small. So
Yeah.
what you'd do is you'd stick the glove stretcher in, you'd open it up, and then you'd have to put your fingers in one by one. And then once you're done, you take it out, and then you'd have to do the exact same thing with the other hand. And this right here is for your shoes to help do them up.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
also, there was a shoe one, but someone. Yeah. And this right here is for your corset to do it up.
Oh, you the one at the back.
Yeah, because if you didn't have anyone traveling with you, it's kind of hard to do it up. Yeah. And then, of course, right here is the
Guest.
first guest bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So they had a copper bathtub. And
Copper.
that cost approximately what a servant would make in an entire year.
Mm-hmm.
The servants made about $5 a month, so $60 a year.
Oh.
Yeah, so today that costs around.
Let's rate her.
Ay, ito mga bedroom.
Elizabeth. Oh.
Right here we have the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Yeah. So it is the nicest bedroom, of course. And right here we have black dress. So black was very popular back then due to Queen Victoria, because after her husband died, she wore black for the rest of her life. And so if you had anywhere important to go, or you're going, like you're having people over that were very important, you would try and wear that. Wear black as much as possible.
That's there.
During that time.
So, yeah, the parents were over there, and the children were over there. So they didn't really have much to do with the children's lives. It was essentially like making.
So I need to cover this.
And
Yeah.
this is where the children would have slept. So they'd sleep in this bed till about 1.5, and they'd
The
move over
crib.
to this bed. And children would wear white up until a certain age, and then they would wear colors according to their gender. So girls would wear blues, and boys would wear pinks.
Oh.
Yeah. And then, although the Forges didn't have any children, they did have a niece named Rita. And when she was 10 years old, she started all of their meals here. They would have done all their schoolwork here. They would have played in here. If they were lucky, they would get to go outside for an hour a day. But the governess would need permission from the parents prior to taking the children outside. Yeah, so all of the meals would be delivered. Then they'd do schoolwork in the morning. And they'd get to play in the afternoon. And then, yeah, I'm sure when you guys were children, your parents.
Thank you for touring us here.
So right through there is our interpretive center. It tells you a little bit more about the role of the lieutenant governor.
Po. That's thank you very much. Thank you. Salamat.
Dito ka, para buo siya. O yan, ganyan. Ganyan paggawa ng picture.
Pwede mo naman i-erase yan. Oo. Kasi mga ano yan eh. So that's all for the day. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy my video. The Government House Museum here in Regina. So maybe I will sign Wandering Bicolana. Okay, let's sign us here. Okay.